I think I may have just hit the mother load. $100 reward for that cat. I'm gonna go find it. Me and old Pappy. And when I find that cat, I'm gonna use this to harness it so it doesn't bite me. Do that dance again. No. Do the dance again.
No. Stop!
I just wanted to feel your whiskers.
The frick away from it.
I need my nutrients. Me and old Pappy are going to get some more tar for the driveway. Because we're working boys. Right, Pappy?
Oh, yeah.
On the single ladies.
2019 Chevy Silverado. Wrote a check, paid cash for it today. Thanks to the sheep farm.
My cheeks. He's a dreamer, aren't ya?
Yeah.
We're still in the process of getting to Tractor Supply so we can get some tar. And this fool, nah, he's not a fool. I'm just, but he's still out here dreaming, being a real funny duddy. I don't know, is that a word? Finally getting here. We're gonna go in and see what we can find. Dad, can I get one of these beef sticks?
No,
Why not?
because you are a beef stick.
Ooh, burn. There's the tar, Pappy.
Oh, yeah. Sonny, that's the tar. Whoa.
Pick it up.
Let's pick it up. Put it in your cart.
Do it.
Sonny, put it in the cart. You're the strong one.
Why are you acting like that?
You're the strong one. Please pick it up.
Put her in. Put it in. Oh, the one in the back's better. Oh.
Oh. Praise the Lord.
You ready to go?
Yeah, I guess. It's time to get her done. Get her done.
You're doing it yourself.
Frank, no. You're helping.
We'll see.
About time you do something today.
We'll see.
It's good concussion therapy.
We'll see. That's funny.
This is how your sister walks.
Read it to the front, please. Read it to the front.
The people here must love us.
Oh.
What would you do if I just ran over your ankles with this cart?
I would just turn around and run your ankles over.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Good.
Dad, why don't we just get 2 of these? I want to do it with you.
No, you're a bully.
Dad, can we get some of this ketchup so that we can eat it on our hot dogs?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. That'll kill all the weeds we ate, too.
Kill all the salad we ate.
Good ketchup, yeah. We want to wilt the lettuce with that? Yeah, sure. That's good stuff. Let's go, Peter Pan.
Dad, what would you do if this thing just fell off and hit us?
Ooh, look at this flux.
Dad, what would you do if this thing just fell off and hit us?
Probably die.
What would you do?
I don't know. Probably die. Floor it. Head out through the weeds. Give it a heck.
That's it?
Probably say a couple cuss words. I don't know. Say holy crap. Holy poopy. Holy skis. The load just flopped.
Let's get her done. That's gonna be all for today. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good jazz. Thanks.